Welcome to 512 Locksmith. We are Austin's top-rated locksmith for customer satisfaction. All of our professional and experienced locksmiths are friendly and to your rescue for whether if you need emergency automotive, residential, or 24-hour locksmith services. Call us today at area code 512-777-0021. And within 30 minutes or less, one of our locksmiths will be on site and your problem is solved. We make getting locksmith services fast and easy, and our rates are a lot less than the other guy. Mention this YouTube video and save an additional 10% off. www.512locksmith.com